This one goes out to all the Loki heads out there. Probably lost like a second or two on that timer, but that's fine. So yeah, this is with one mod, Patagium, however you pronounce that. I don't know. People don't say that word in real life. None that I know, anyways. Let's see what people are chatting about. Is Kume being slept on? I don't know. I honestly don't know. I just came back to the game after like a 10-year break. I know people are sleeping on Loki though. That's why I'm making this. The best endurance frame. Okay, and yeah, obviously pressing T will hold your wall latch. The game's not paused, as you can see. There's enemies moving around. Still just hanging out, vibing. Still going. Okay, about 152. That's pretty good. Another quick tip for proccing arcane arachne. Just gonna ignore those guys. Obviously, every time you latch, you proc it. However, you can't re-proc it and like stack it back up to 30. So you can obviously hop back and forth or up to proc it again, and you will have to do that to reset your wall latch timer if you're just hanging out for the entire mission. However, you don't need to do that to proc arcane arachne, which if you're playing Loki, you should use arcane arachne. Just trust me on this one. I'm gonna max mine out as soon as this video is done. So here's how you do it. You just look at the wall, you let go for just as quick as you can, and then re-aim again to latch yourself. Just like that. Didn't move at all. Don't need space over there, don't need space over there, up there. Just anywhere you can wall latch on, you want to reset your arcane arachne, just like that. Obviously didn't do it that time because my arcane arachne is still going, but yeah.